This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We have a brand new pattern in play. Hit the like button if you guys trade Bitcoin. London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. Take a look at the daily pattern. Hugely important. We have that symmetrical level of resistance on the left-hand side. You guys see this symmetrical level of resistance on the left-hand side vis-a-vis or in comparison to that right-hand side. We have the flat bottom support. This is a roof. Guys, a roof formation is well documented. It's well recognized by the authorities, NTAIE. For example, Bulkowski. Guys, Bulkowski is the most authoritative work in terms of the empirical approach last 4+ decades of price action. It is all included on the primary markets in terms of the probabilities, which we're going to get. I'm going to go over the targets to the upside. I want you to understand. Guys, shout out to the VIP, our number one trade group. Over 130 members joined the first month. We are the number one trade group, more than any other group, guys, more than any other team. We had 130 join the first month. We're excited about building in 2022 and beyond. We're going to create some more million-dollar traders. That's our goal. Now, in terms of the measurement, first of all, let's take a look at the probabilities. Really important when we say that we are a probability-based trade group. We don't want to know, is it going up or is it going down? That is the most fundamental question that everyone asks. Well, is the price going up or is the price going to go down? That's the question we get all the time. My response every time is the following. It's not whether or not it's going to go up or down. It's the percentage probability that we would go up or the percentage probability that we would go down. Now, when we get into a trade and let's say we have an opportunity to go up and the probability is 80% or 85%, you betcha, guys, is why we do probability. So we're about split now. I'd say within the context of the consideration of a potential move to the upside, the important thing about this pattern is the following. Go to the 4-hourly. I wanted you to get a little bit more of an accurate view here. Let's take this QKD off for just a moment. I want to shout out to the VIP. You guys are trading in the back, and today it was a sweet day without a doubt. Pay attention to this roof formation, the structure, looking at first of all, guys, the technical formation cannot be disputed. It's that symmetrical resistance on the left and on the right, flat bottom support. Taking a look at the measurement, I will tell you the height of the pattern is stacked on top of the peak. That is the way that we would measure to the upside. I'll go through that upside target. It's going to be 30,000. But taking a look at the let's say the instructions, the measure rule, measure the height of the roof from the central peak to the horizontal bottom. Boom, done, right? For upward breakouts, listen up, add the height to the price of the peak. Add the height to the price of the peak. Boom, guys, that's important for the downward breakout. Subtract the height from the bottom of the pattern to get a target. Bam. So the important thing is the following. Just pay attention to this. The important thing is, guys, this is hugely important. The potential breakdown and the probabilities there along with are the following. The potential breakdown, we would be looking at a 58% chance. A 58% chance of breaking down. 58% chance of breaking down. Where would that land us, guys? Where would we be in terms of the price? We'd be at 11,500. Let's just call that 11.5. That would be a 38% drop in price. Hello, paying attention yet, guys? A 58% chance of a 38% drop in price. Just, guys, absorb the information, all right? Now, in terms of the potential move to the upside, we're a 42% split with that 58%, and I just tell you the upside target is big, guys, because we stacked the height. It's a good day for Bitcoin, guys. An exciting weekend coming. You guys know what's going on this week. JP Morgan, Chase, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley, and Citigroup are all coming out with financials this week, guys. What's going on? It's going to be exciting as well. We have that Thursday CPI report. Yeah, let's trade, guys. VIP are going to be trading. We're excited about this week. In terms of the potential move to the upside, that 30,000, if we were to really stack that in the 4-hourly, we'd be looking at between 30 and 32,000. That's a huge move to the upside, guys. That's a 67% move. So we have got potential to the downside. While we've been going sideways for well over 100 days, we have a potential move to the downside. Guys, I don't want to say quite 40% from the current price. Yeah, it's going to be from the current price, yes, 40% down. To the upside, we're looking at over a 60% potential gain. So volatility incoming. We're looking forward to it, and I will just remind all of you, guys, our indicator is performing phenomenally well. be careful on lower time frames. Today you had another, let's take a look at this. We had another fire sale, guys. Another fire sale got hit. You'll see the indications. We came down today again. Yesterday we had a fire sale. Hugely, guys, just unreal. I'm going to say this specific indicator is unreal. You see our fire sale line here. We hit it again today. We hit the short. We hit it again today, the green buy line here, guys, then the short. So there were multiple trades. All you literally had to do was show up in the market today. Guys, if you showed up, you made money with our indicator. Bottom line, I'm going to tell you, the 5-minute, guys, definitely a pro level. I want you guys to be careful on those lower time frames. And I do want to look real quickly at the 4-hourly. Very important on BTC on the 4-hourly. We have, let's pay attention to this specific level here. We've talked about the ascending line of resistance, right? We've talked about that with some frequency, that ascending line of resistance. Look at this level of support in this zone. And guys, to the extent that the market is looking at this rising wedge feature, I'll just tell you, we do have a save here to the left with almost a flat top resistance. But do recall that we faked out here. Typically, it's not a good sign when we fake out, right? When we push an ascending triangulation, even on the lines. However, I will remind you the candle wicks line up. But when we push on the lines and we start to angle up, typically it's a sign of weakness in the market. Typically, we're buttressed by this key level, the 18.5. I'm going to just recommend that the VIP focus on your larger time frames, your hourly and above, to play it safe. If you want to play it safely in terms of your trading, it's just, guys, they're just going. It's gangbusters. You're doing very, very good. A lot of positive trades going on in the back with the VIP. I want to invite you to join today the number one trade group. Remember that this would require a breakout to the upside, could be a bit choppy, and I'll leave the pickup lines for the VIP in the back. You guys have got those. To the extent you want to trade, it's there for you. The best tool in the business for trading. Guys, London with Bitcoin Spike, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, and not financial advice. Take a look at this link here that says YouTube. That'll get you the opportunity to join the number one trade group. Over 130 VIP joined the first month, more than any other trade group, guys, that's got media exposure, etc. We're excited about that and building in 2022. We're in La Jolla. We're very excited to be in California. A lot of possibilities here, and we want to invite you, after you join, go ahead and put I am VIP. You can join also from YouTube directly from a desktop computer. Once you go ahead and reply that I am VIP to that first pinned tweet, guys, let me tell you, you can get in touch with me by doing that. Then I'll put you in touch, guys, with the required resource materials. The New York Institute of Finance, Bolkowski, with the information that we looked at tonight. I'll give you access to the secret weapon. If you could go nuclear, I'm going to tell you, if you could go nuclear in the market, guys, with guys, a deployed force, I'll tell you, fire and ice is the way to do it. It's really, really impressive. Exciting to see the returns. Excited to see the level of advancement it's bringing our traders. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We're excited about 2022 and 2023. And guys, this week's going to be awesome. We've got the big banks, financial firms reporting from BlackRock, JP Morgan, Citigroup, JP Morgan Chase. We're excited. And Thursday, they're going to just hammer in that CPI report. If you don't know how to hedge, I'll tell you, you're not VIP. I'm going to tell you that bottom line. If you don't know how to hedge, you're not VIP. We're looking forward to another hedge opportunity this week. This is London with Bitcoin Spike, never overexposed in any specific trade. And guys, excited to be able to bring you the specifics on this specific roof formation. Remember that you heard it here. A lot of volatility, 40% to the downside, 60+% to the upside. Let's go. This is London with Bitcoin Spike.